we're gonna do a volcano.
With Mommy.
With Riley. We made this volcano together. Did you make the volcano?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just paper mache
Yeah.
and some water bottles.
Yeah.
And then we glued it on and painted it. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so all you need is baking soda and vinegar.
I'm doing
You
it.
want to do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't see now. I'm a I'm doing it for.
Okay, you be careful though, okay?
Yeah. What is it that I'm feet?
Okay,
What's
are
it?
you ready? Hold on. Okay, put a bunch of baking soda. Okay, bud.
Now
Okay, sit down on your knees, please.
Now vinegar.
Hold on, bud.
Now what's this?
Okay, and now we're
Vinegar.
gonna add the vinegar.
I do it.
Okay, buddy. I know.
Mama,
I
I
know.
did do it
I
on
know.
myself.
Okay.
Mama, I
Okay,
did
I'm
do it
gonna
on-
just help you do it. Ready?
I want to do it on myself for now. I'll do it on myself.
Oh, it's trying to come. We didn't add enough vinegar, so sit down.
Mommy,
I'm gonna add more baking soda because I think it went around the box instead of in.
Mommy, do I too much?
There we go.
Two.
That should be enough.
Mommy, my turn. Taste. I something.
Add the vinegar.
No, I do it myself.
Here it comes. Oh!
I do it
Here it comes.
It helped me.
Do you see it?
Yeah. It's all wet.
Yeah. Okay, sit down, please.
Mommy, I'm doing ice.
Okay, we're just gonna add more baking soda.
Okay. Whoa.
There we go. Add a whole bunch more.
Now, the vinegar. What? Baking soda in there.
Okay, can you sit on your knees, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Now it's Mommy's turn, okay?
Mine.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here it comes. Whee!
No, now it's a bubble.
You see all the bubbles?
Mommy, my turn. My turn, Mommy.
Here it comes.
Bubble. I popping me. My turn.
Okay, so Riley wants to do it again. Are you ready?
Yeah. My turn.
Hold on, I gotta open it.
Okay, I want to do it myself.
We're gonna do it together. Come on, go ahead.
I want to do it on myself.
Here it comes.
I want to do
Whee!
it on myself. Here it comes.
Here it comes.
Look at the bubbles.
You can also add food coloring to your vinegar and make it colorful. Okay, ready? Last time. Here it comes. Oh! Down. Okay, well, thank you for watching our video. Say thank you.
Thank you. Mommy, I want to do it again.
Say bye. Have a good day.
I do